So this session we'll be dealing with how to work with an insert subquery. So for this particular case, we have to create two tables. One is customers and other is first table with same fields of the same field types. And we have to fill up the customers with set of column fields with respect to the rows and create the custable empty. And we are intended to transfer the field from the customers to the empty custable with respect to certain comparison of the fields. So that is for the purpose for which we make use of the subqueries. So we have instance of one particular subquery would be for insertion would be insert into custable that is initially empty, select star from customers, where ID and select ID from customers. So with respect to all the IDs that is inserted in the customers, with that comparison, all the column fields will go inside the empty custable, empty table custable. So let us go back to Visual Management Studio and try to execute this particular thing and try to understand how it exactly works. So we visit the Management Studio and we can see that initially the custable is empty and customer has a certain number of fields, and we are intended to give a comment on the delete statement. Insert in the custable, select where ID. Select ID from customers. That's all. That was the first part of the query. So we can see that with all the ID values, starting right away from 23 till 89, all will get populated in the empty custable. So that is the function of this particular subquery. So we'll give an execute. We can see 5 rows got affected. Now these 5 rows, whatever they are from customers, 23 till 89 will get populated in the custable. So this is what is happening with the first query. And in the second query, we are making an adjustment with the age. So we can take for age factors being greater than 45. So for that particular case, first initially this we have to make sure one thing very strictly, that you have to delete the custable because it may cause a mismatch in the ID values. So now we are going to execute. That means we have to create it custable to be empty with customers with set of values. Now we'll close up the delete and you open the insert statement once again. And insert into customers, select all from customers where age. Where age in select age from customers. Where age we have specifically we have to give a condition where age is greater than 45. So if you say seek this particular statement, you can see the above 45 we have got 47 and 67 alone. So only these two fields will get populated. So we'll give an execution. The 2 rows got affected. We'll open. See, above 45, only 47 and 67 is available, and all the fields got populated. The rest are not populated. So now we'll analyze another situation. We are comparing with the salary part. So again, we have to delete, to avoid the mismatch of the fields. We'll delete the original table and we'll reconstruct once again. So here the condition is with respect to the salary. So we have to give a salary range here. Select star from customer with salary, select salary from customers where salary is greater than, we specifically have to take up one particular target. So we can name it as above 4,900. We'll take this and put it here, where salary above this particular field, 4,900. So we'll check above 4,900, 56,000, 59, and 98. Only these 3 things are available. So that only will get populated. So firstly, we have to drop up the table. So here, first table is already deleted by focus. Yeah. Now we have to make an insertion query. If it's strictly salary is greater than 49,000. So 3 rows got affected. We'll revisit the first table once again. And we can see exactly above 45,000, 56,000 is available, 98,000 is available, and 59,000 is available. So this is how an empty field, first table which was initially empty, got filled up with respect to the comparison of the field from another table. So this is the simplest of the insertion query that we can deal with.